Our shop has a storage problem. Looking around, you can find stuff just laid out anywhere. Today, we're going to fix that. Welcome back to the Weekend Woodshop. Okay, so here we are over by the table saw, and on the back side of the table saw we have this bench, and this bench used to be a part of our old miter saw station that we had. I use it more as an outfeed table for the table saw nowadays, but down here on the bottom we have this opening. This opening is roughly 25-ish by 40. And in this, I have some drawers that are just part of an old project. So I just decided, I had already had the drawers built, so I just decided to put a couple of them in here and utilize them, but as a temporary kind of a thing. So in here I got like pencils and tape and squares, stuff like that. But I only have the 2 drawers. I got this nice big shelf on the bottom, which is nice for the track saw, the circular saw, the bench grinder, and all that. But I really do need more storage. So here's what we're gonna do. Today we're going to build a cabinet that will take up this space. We're going to have 4 drawers down this side and a storage cabinet on this side, so that we have more options to store things, and it will help clear up all of this clutter that's back here on the workbench. So let's get to it. So mistakes may have been made. I measured the face of these at 6 1/4 inches, and I want an 1/8 of an inch gap. So that tells me that they've got to be 6 3/8 on center, right? Well, that's what I did. I made a spacer for 6 3/8 of an inch, and when I put it together, I got an 1 7/8 gap between them. So I got to drop this by 1 1/2 inches, or 1 3/4 inches. Live and learn, I guess. Well, all right, there it is. Everything that I set out to do in this video, I have accomplished. I have a nice little cabinet in here that has 4 storage drawers, and I've got stuff in here kind of how I want them now. Marking utensils up here, then kind of just clamping, gluing, taping stuff in here, and then next up is chisels and sharpening stuff, and then down here at the very bottom is just kind of miscellaneous. It's got some hammers, it's got my my Dremel tool, tape, hot glue gun, etc. And then on this side over here, I do want to continue to work on. So a suggestion was made to me by my folks in my Discord that if I put in a couple of drawers here, a couple of sliders in here, I can kind of double the space in here. So I think I'm going to do that, but that'll be part of a future, probably unrecorded video. We'll include it in a shop update at some point in time, but that's kind of the plan in here. So in here we got saws, we've got my my belt slash disc sander, and then some other miscellaneous accoutrements. But yeah, I'm super happy about this. Now, is the shop 100% organized yet? No, we got a long way to go on that. Next up, I think, is going to be a new tabletop for the table saw. It's a little bit, it's in a little bit of disarray right now, just because of some of the things that I've done to it since I built it a couple of years ago, and I want to get that tidied up and squared away. And then after that, I think the next thing is going to be rebuilding the workbench. This one behind me, it's got to go. I don't have room for it. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to scale things back a little bit, make things fit in here a little bit better, but that's where we're at. So thank you all so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you really want to help support the channel, share this with your friends and just kind of get some traffic coming to the channel. I do appreciate it very much. Also, if you want to help support the channel financially, there is our Patreon, so patreon.com/weekendwoodshop. The link for that will be down in the description. But yeah, super happy with this. Hope you've enjoyed. And as always, thanks for watching. Ow, that hurts a lot.